Pano ndi pa Nyasa VoiceBox pamene ndithu timafuna kukambirana nkhani ziwiri zitatu zokhudza ndale kayendetsedwe ka dziko komanso kutsatira bwino pa malamulo pamene pa Chingerezi timanena kuti politics, good governance and the rule of law. Ndiye lero tabweranso ndi mawu a bambo Kamlepo Kalua. Kamlepo Kalua ndithu ndi Olemekezeka phungu wa nyumba ya malamulo ku Rumpi East, ndipo iwo ndithu akulankhula modekha lero kukumbutsa mtundu wa Malawi kuti mphamvu zimatha pa dziko lapansi palibe wamuyaya. Nde makamaka ife amene tikugwira ntchito za ndale komanso ntchito za boma tisamayiwale kuti maudindo amatha palibe udindo wamuyaya. Kunali anthu kuno monga Olemekezeka mtsogoleri wayamba dziko lino Dr. Hastings Banda, anthu ananena kuti ayi angwazi ndi amuyaya, koma lero amuyaya aja kulibe. Kunali ndithu anthu ambiri amene amagwiritsa ntchito mphamvu molakwika, ndipo anthu amenewo lero mphamvu zija zinatha, ena anatisiya. Ndiye tikamapakhala kugwira ntchito za boma kapena kupanga ntchito za ndale tisamayiwale kuti mphamvu zimene tili nazo tsiku lina zidzatha, tidzachotsedwa pa mpando ndipo tidzakhala anthu wamba. Ndipo chizungu ena amanena kuti the hunter will become hunted. Ndiye tikhale limodzi kuti Kamlepo Kalua tamvetsere kuti akuti bwanji pa nkhani imeneyo, kuti makamaka anthu ena ake amaoneka kuti mphamvu za ndale kapena kuti mphamvu za boma amazitengera pangongo. Ndiye tikhale limodzi pano pa Nyasa VoiceBox kuti timve kuti Kamlepo Kalua akuti chani lero pa 11 July 2024.
Zikoma kwambiri. Good morning. Once again, may I thank you all. Pamene munandipempherera ndili ku ndende pa milandu yosadziwika bwino, milandu imene sinapange. Koma panopo ndifuna kuti ndikuwuzeni Malawi kuti apolisi still akusunga telefoni yanga. Sanandipeze ndi mlandu, voice sinali yanga, koma mpaka lero akusunga telefoni yanga. Ndiye ndikudabwa kuti telefoni iyo akusunga chifukwa chani, andi bwanji sakundipasa telefoni yanga. Komanso ndikuona kuti ya duplicate imene ndili nayo akugwiritsa ntchito anthu ambiri, kuyuza zina langa kumaparamula milandu. Ndiye ndikuganiza ndi apolisi amene akupanga zimenezi kuti andiyikeni m'mavuto. Ndeno panopo ndifuna ndichenjeze apolisi, tinasintha bomali manja mwa Kamuzu. Anali munthu ovuta kwambiri Kamuzu, anthu ankati ndi wamuyaya. Ndiye ndifunse inu apolisi mamuchinjiza Kamuzu kuti wamuyaya, ndifunse nfunso ili, kodi Kamuzu alipo umuyaya uja kupitirirabe? Awa ndi mafunso kuti muyankhe, chifukwa anthu ambiri amene analowa pa upresident anakukhululukirani. Ineyo ndinali South Africa, anandizuzira family yanga, anandizuzira wonse achibale. Peter Chikuta was head of CIS. Atamva kuti ine ndatera pachileka anazombera ku area 47 ndikufa. Panopo ndichenjeze, mukapitirira isi kukhala chimpwirikiti kwanuko chosadziwika bwino. Don't be used by politicians. Ma politicians is seasonal. Lero akhalapo, mawa kuzakhala kulibe. Ndapereka chisanzo cha Dr. Banda. Tonse Malawi muno timati wamuyaya, tonse Malawi muno timati osafa. Ndipo ena nkaimba nyimbo kuti tizafa 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 naye tili pambuyo pa Kamuzu. Nyimbo zimenezo muzimva andi mkuziziwa zimayimbidwa muno Malawi. How many people, those who sang those songs, died with Kamuzu? Where are they today? Did they mean it or they were fooling Kamuzu? My appeal is, don't fool Chakwera. Chakwera is the president of this country. If you want to turn things around, let him do it. But by not fooling him, we need Malawians to mature politically, religiously, morally, spiritually, and otherwise. Grow up. Zamawa simuziziwa. You can have so many tricks that you want to maintain that power. You want Chakwera to retain that power. But it will not last forever. One day, you'll have to say goodbye to the chair. And you'll be former, I repeat, you'll be former, whether you like it or not. Ndamva Sokuti, you are planning to kill my son. You are making all possible strategies, training to kill my son. Well, kill him. And your children will forever be in peace and live in peace. But if I were you, there's a song, and you know it, there's a song. This world is not my home. The angels are a beacon on me. That song was sung by Jim Reeves. Ndeno mchichewa akuti patu sipaziko ngera kudusa pakhomera mwamba ndipo Dziko La Pansi sinzayesa kwatu. Mama amene ndanena with a heavy heart, why are you still keeping my phone? Why are you planning to kill my son? Even that arrest, anaphwanya mabedi mnyumba, wardrobes, they were all over in the room searching. They destroyed the furniture. They destroyed the cooker, destroyed the fridge. Kuti akuti kapena ndinabisala mfridge. Kapena mfridge imonda ikamo food. No. I didn't want to get involved into politics of today because I played my part in the past. So I didn't want to be the same forever. I wanted to give a chance to the new and incoming politicians. That's why I was quiet. But now you have poked the bear. I will now start what I left to do. And I'm ready, very ready to die. If you are planning to kill my son, you'll also kill me. I know that you are planning more and more arrest on me because you want to, this is why you are still keeping my phone. You want to create a reason inside the phone, or you want to put poison in the phone, like the way how Tatem Packet was killed. Let me warn you, many, I say many, let me repeat this, many will follow me. You kill my son as a sacrificial for your chair, for your chairs, for your positions. Let it be if he was born for your well-being as families of those who are maintaining such leadership, like the way how they maintained the leadership of Dr. Banda, whom they called him Wamiaya. And I doubt that he is still living with us, because Wamiaya would mean forever and evermore. But I doubt if Dr. Banda is still living. And I doubt that Dr. Banda is still Wamiaya. I doubt it very much. There were so many inspector generals of police. I know them all, from Kamana up to you. I can list them all. I know them, even their names, their homes, their children, where they are. Angwataso now is a chonjo. He never wanted to listen to me. Achilambo Kennedy now is a chonjo. He never listened to me. William Longo Mzimba, the time they abducted Oton Chirwa, I told William Longwe, be very careful, you're not there forever. I told Gento Charira, a commissioner of police, a prosecutor, who was prosecuting Mwaru Gima's case, as well as Chakwamba and others. Where is he today, including his families? They're no longer there, and they're from jail. Mawa mendu kunena chifukwa cha undufuna undukuze kuti Palibe Chamuyaya pa Dziko La Pansi. No matter how long you think you live there, one day you'll all be former. The word former should be taken it very seriously. Atumiza anthu konswese kwanga utazikalembesa anthu usiku mavoti. izisu zikuthandizana, because at the end of the day you're just wasting time for nothing. Ineyo family yanga nditamangidwa, they spent 5 million fuels, accommodation, following me where I was, and the initial fee that I paid the lawyer was another 5 million as a deposit for him to monitor my arrest and wherever I was kept. The total bill is about 20 million that I have to pay. There's a balance of 15 million that I have to pay. I'll do it. Gladly, I'll do it. I say, gladly, I'll do it. You are still keeping my phone. You are still keeping my phone. And you are still keeping my phone. I should repeat this. My Inspector General Police, do your job professionally. Zikare is my young brother. I know him. I know him in and out. Even if you ask him, he'll tell you that we know each other better than some of you think. I can't say much more than this. I know the mother. Abambo akumbereka Zikare ndine tagoma bao limos kuzingwangwa. Sera bao ndine, we have done that. He was working for Southern Boat Trust. From Zimbabwe, they settled in Zingwangwa. The mother is still living. She knows me. Even if you can go there and ask her, she'll tell you that these are brothers. Chakwera, I helped the time we were in opposition. Tinapanga Solidarity Lare, Area 25. I was one of the speakers at that rally. I'm not cheating. I'm not lying to you. Ask him. He will tell you that that is true. We made another rally kumzuzu. Some forces prevented me from talking. Kunali ndeweyopya. Some blood were spilled out. And it is Chakwera that he told me to be in his car. And we went, both of us, Kumzuzu Hotel. He rescued me. The time kunali ngozi, ukoswese kwanga, ya boti, Chakwera came. Tinali limozi mboti. I've got pictures of all this. Pakatina Peter, I introduced him to the mourners, to the people of my constituency. They knew him then, and they never forgot him. And today, I know Chakwera in and out. I've worked with Kamozo. I've worked with Bakiri. I've worked with Bingo. I've worked with my Joyce Banda. I've worked with Peter. And even Chakwera himself, we work together in Parliament. So if my son, my family, will be the blood to maintain these positions, I'm ready. I'm ready. Take my son down. Be a sacrificial lamb for your good positions. But be careful. Chaona nsako chapita. Mawa chilipa iwe. Chimwendo, I saw you growing up. Your brother is my best friend. And I should keep in that way. Because I don't want politics to destroy how I respect your brother. I saw you growing up. You were my boy. When I was making rallies on Chakwamba and I, when we were making rallies, we were using you as my boy, as our own boy. Be careful, my dear brother. Zinthu zosirana. Ini dowa itori kapichira banda, personally. Kumuza bambo, scale down. Izi zakupwetekanizi. He never listened. Today, where is kapichira banda? From dowa there. I'm sorry. Anafera mmanja mwanga wa South Africa. And he told me everything why he was poisoned. I was the only one that he confined for me to know Kuti Marwezi was the nephew. It was him. that he told me. And the Arek Nyasuru, Chipata Chaku Hilbro, near the tower there. I was there the time he was dying. Arek Nyasuru, we chatted a lot. I was there when he was dying. Ajonte Mondine, Kwembra Kazao, Leta Kazao, Pagayo. We worked together, very close to each other. I went here, Kukadia, Kunyomba. He never ate in my house, but I ate in his house. Go and ask Ivy Tembo, will tell you that that is true. She's still living. Go and ask Azamira that I worked with Komanso. Will tell you. Ask, this Dausi, every evening Fridays, was bringing food to my house from Dotaband. I know them. I know. I've worked with these people. I have indeed worked with these people. I have worked with these people. I should repeat this. I've worked with these people. I know them. They know me. Even some of them, they are late. They know me. May their souls rest in peace. Mwana wanga, mpeni mwana. You wanted to kill him in Zomba, in Sheu, during the candlelight. I was monitoring. I knew your plans, what were, and I still know them. I still know them. Believe you me, I know them. Why I'm laughing? There must be a thing behind that laughter. I know who I am. When we're changing from one-party state to multi-party democracy, I survived 13 assassination attempts. During Bakili Mlo's, I survived 8 assassination attempts. Bingo, I survived 2. Amai, Sanantengere in it, Kondi SI. May the good Lord protect her. She never arrested me, so too with Peter. Yes, I was abducted, but anyway, that is what under the bridge. No anything, no grudge against anybody. I served as a cabinet minister. Peter appointed me, and I'm very grateful to him. Very, very grateful to him. May the Lord protect Peter for doing that to me. My prophet, not say my prophet. You are doing that because there's God, the creator of heavens and the earth. Don't do this in order to gain financial favors. Tell the truth if indeed God spoke to you. But God is not a respecter of persons. He can take a stone to be a prophet. He can take a tree to be a prophet. You are not exclusive in his choices of who would serve him. Anybody can serve him. Anybody from today or tomorrow can be God's favorite son. It depends who you are and what you believe in. So don't provoke and don't use the name of God for your personal glories. I warn you, you'll be judged, harshly judged, and you pay for it. Once again, I will still keep on issuing these audios. This is my real voice, and I'm not running away from it. I'm not threatening anybody. I, Malawians, and as a Malawian, I'm calling for peace. I'm calling for stability, political stability. I'm calling for non-violence when doing things. Kumabe, osatukwanai. Tizine na zintu, that is to build, but not to destroy. That is to respect and not disrespect. I once again warn the police. You maintained Kamuzu, and Kamuzu was the life president. But you failed to keep his soul and life. Kamuzu is late. But you said he's life president. But he's not there anymore. Like others who went before him. The Pembeles, the Oton Chiloas, they were brutally murdered in prison. The Kawisas, all those people, Kuntumanje, all those people, Slombera. I know how he was caught in Mangochi, and how he was charged, and how he died. The dignitaries of this world, Aaron Gadamas. So too, with the Moarongimai, how he died. May the Lord God Almighty protect and forgive their sins. I'm warning you, police. Simene mnapanga kunyumba kwanga, kuphwanya mipando, kuphwanya bedi, kuphwanya wardrobe, kuphwanya fridge, kuphwanya cooker, kuphwanya zinthu mnyumba. We recorded, I've got a CCTV, and I will one day send it to the public to see how you behaved. May I call upon you, the Inspector General of Police, to discharge your duties professionally. Don't be a tool of political oppression. Don't be a tool of political killings. Don't be a tool of shutting up the voice of the reasons just because they disagree with Chakwera. May I also warn you, President Chakwera, learn from your past. Learn from your predecessors. They had people around them. And when they were out of that chair, those people disbanded, and they had also to move on to another leader that came in. After that one, they abandoned that one, that also to go to another leader that came in. After that one, they also abandoned that to go to a leader that he came in. They will also abandon you. That's my warning. They will abandon you in a terrible manner. You will witness. You live up to that experience. I know. You live up to that. You are protected. But that time, you're not going to be protected. They'll abandon you. That's my warning to you. Those are in Chichia what we call antinke now. Pachao amane nakuti. Antumire mwenye. Those are the people that can destroy you, can destroy your name, and can destroy your name forever. Listen to my voice. Listen to my call. Mwana wanga, mufuna mumupe nditu. And I know the people that are doing that. I have got all their names, their faces, where they come from, their wives, their houses. I know them. I know them. I know. I know. Very shortly, I will announce not praying anymore to God. I will resort to what I was in the past. Because it will be very ugly. Very, very ugly situation that we are getting to. My humble appeal is, I should not go to that extreme. I renounced my past, and I accepted Jesus Christ as Lord and my Savior. So I should not go back to the spirit I had. Let me pray God. Let me pray to God. Let me serve Jesus honestly, truthfully, and with all my heart. Don't force me to abandon this, because it will be ugly. It will be ugly, I'm telling you. It will be ugly. I know all these witch doctors, the whole central region. I know each and every village of a witch doctor. I know what is being practiced kudambwe with a vision kuti munthu ukasowa kunyumba mataru Zambia. I know it. I know each and every dambwe in the central region. I know it. I know each and every jando in the eastern region. I know it. I know what the Nyanjas in Nsanje with that area spirit. I know. I know. I know Mulanje very well. I know it. 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 I know Misuku Hills. And even with that snake, which is more like a chicken, a bird, a big bird, I know what it is. I know Nyika. I know. I know other places that I cannot mention because it will shock you. Koma, ndisiye ndizipemphera kwa Mulungu, ndisabwerere zakale, chonde. But I'm giving you my son, kuti mumupe, maintain your positions. Because he has never wronged anybody. He's always calling for peace. He has never told the people to misbehave. But you are planning on killing him. Ausi, bravo. I know you better. You have stepped in my house. We have helped each other in the past. When you were a country director, Adra, you employed my daughter, you employed my son. Take care. This world is not our home. This world is not our home. This world is not our home. I know what you have. I know all the people that are behind you. I know all those that come minimally now. How they talk to you, how they reason with you. May I wish you all the best. May I respect your appointment. I wish you all the best. You are our vice president, and I respect that. Even the authority that appointed you, I do respect. But please, don't go beyond what you cannot match with God. Don't do that. And be very careful. I repeat, be very careful. Others were there before, and they are no longer there. You'll be a former vice president. Maybe sometimes you might be the president, but you still become the former. I know where you are going. I know your 3 stars that you have. I know them. But if my son will be a sacrificial lamb for your position, let it be. The way how they are planning to kill him. That's just my appeal, my humble appeal. I want to pray to God. I want to belong to Jesus. I want to be a true Christian. I don't want to go back to my old stupid ways. Those were old and stupid ways. I don't want to go there. But if I'll be forced, so be it. Thank you. Anthu akukonswese kwanga, anthu amene akubwera kumene koko, kuti azalembesa usiku. They're not from Malawi Electoral Commission. Malawi Electoral Commission is not disorderly. They're not unprofessional. They are professional. They are orderly. And they know their program. I respect them. I respect the institution. Thank you. Army, stay away from internal politics. Your job is to defend the country. But if you be used to say, kill people just because your job now has been tended to be killing people. Remember the revolutions in other countries. Remember the way you played, what you played, the role you played, protecting the marchers 2019. You were a darling of the people. Please remain in that way. Remain in that way. Thank you once again.